How to delete Google AdSense account. So all that you have to do is just go to Google and then type in AdSense Google account and then hit enter. When this comes, come and select sign in to continue to AdSense. And then when you click on it, you are going to be logging directly into your dashboard just like this one. You don't even have to put in any password, okay? So when you log in, look at the left hand side. You are going to see we have account just like this one. Click on it and then come to account information and then come and select that one, okay? So you are going to be logged into your account information just like this one. When you look at the down button at your right hand side, you are going to see we have close account. Come and then click on it, okay? And then over here, take your time to read these informations and then come and check the box, which is AdSense, okay? And all that you have to know is that when you check the box, you are not going to, and then you delete it, you are not going to see ads again, okay? Then simply come and then click on close my account. And then when you click on it, you are going to see this message saying that thank you for using AdSense, and then you have successfully closed your account. So this is how to close or delete your AdSense account. Like the video and then see you in my next video.